In this lesson, we will see about the string data type. String is a sequence of alphabets or special characters or even numbers. The string is stored in the string data type. Here we will create a new file named string dot and we will change the launch.json. String. Now we will create a main function main. Now string can be declared with the keyword string. Here S is capital letter, so string followed by the variable name equal to. Here the string value need to be enclosed inside a double quotes or single quotes. So here I am giving a value David inside the single quotes. Now if I try to print this, runtime type we got it as string. As I mentioned in number data type and in boolean data type, everything in Dart is an object. I am reiterating this because we need to get familiarized with this concept. So there are some predefined functions that are available for the string object. First we will see how to find a substring. String channel equal to involve innovation. Here, for example, now I need to take involve from this involved in innovation. We can use substring function. Variable name channel dot substring. As I mentioned before, both property and function of an object can be accessed by the dot operator. Substring. The substring takes two parameters. One is mandatory field which takes start index and another which is a optional field. So here I am giving 0, 7. As I mentioned before, string is a sequence of special characters or alphabets or numbers. Here, so the first character in the string gets the 0th position and it goes like 0, 1, 2, 3. So here when I give 0, that means the start index is first position. So it takes I as the first character. Here 7 is the end index, but it is the exclusion. So the end index won't be included inside the extracted substring. That means here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here I is in the 7th index position, but that index position gets excluded. Here if I run this code, I will get involved. Because it starts with the index position 0 and it ends at the index position 6 because 7 is excluded in the substring. If you didn't pass the end index, it will automatically take the end of string as end index. For example, here I am giving 9. I will get innovation because this I is in the 9th index position. Since we are not giving the end index, it will take the end of string. That is, it prints everything from the start index till the end of this string. So we got innovation. Next we will see how to convert a string to all uppercase. To do that, we need to use the function to uppercase. Print channel dot to uppercase. And there is another similar function, that is to convert all the characters in a string to a lowercase. We need to use the to lowercase function. Print channel dot to lowercase. Now we will run this code and we will see the output. Here we got involved in innovation all caps and involved in innovation all in lowercase. Next we will see about contains. Contains function is used to find whether a pattern is found in a string or not. It returns a boolean value that is true or false, notifying whether the pattern is present or not. Here in this involved in innovation, if we need to find whether a pattern like in is present or not, so we need to use the contains function. Channel dot contains. Inside that we need to give the pattern. Here we just gave in. This function checks whether there is a pattern present in this string. Here we got false because the pattern is case sensitive. So we need to give capital I and small n. If we try to run this, we will get true because this pattern is present in the string involved in innovation. Like other variables, we can even use where to store a string variable. For example, I am creating a new variable where and last name Augustine. Print last name dot runtime type. Dart is smart enough to recognize this last name as string and it will assign string data type to this last name variable.